When I'm low on time and energy, Mum's fish congee is the perfect solution. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that started as Mum's quick go-to and now has become mine.
Mama ye食飯，媽咪爹哋食飯，ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Wok and Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. For very little effort, you can get jok that is so delicate and silky it just melts in your mouth. To start, pour 1.5 cups of rice grains in a colander and rinse them in cool water. We use jasmine rice for Mum's fish congee. Season everything with 1 teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil, then mix it all through. A full list of these ingredients can be found at wokandkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. This is optional, but you can let it rest for 1 hour. Then fill up a pot with 5 litres of water and bring it to a boil, then pour the rice in. Cook the grains with the lid partially on for at least 20 minutes or until it reaches your preferred consistency. While the congee is cooking, finally chop 1/2 cup of garlic. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan and pour the garlic in. Cook it over a medium heat until golden, then transfer it to a serving dish to cool. Fillet 750 grams of ling fish thinly by cutting it at an angle. Ling is sold in large slabs at the fish market. Season the sliced fish with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of the fried garlic. Mix and marinate for a minimum of 10 minutes. You can also season the congee with 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. When the jok is ready, turn the heat on low or completely off and put the fish in to cook using residual or low heat for 5 minutes or until cooked. When I don't want to think about what's for dinner, the solution is clear. Just season some fish, cook up some congee, and I'm ready. And there you have it, Mum's fish congee served with fried garlic and pepper. For a silky mouthful every time, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Stir the pot's base roughly every 5 minutes so the grains don't stick to the bottom and burn. Number 2. Skim the bubbles. This will keep the congee clean. Number 3. Cook the fish on low heat. The low heat will result in silkier fillets. Whenever I want something easy yet incredibly satisfying, Mum's fish congee is my go-to. I can thoroughly enjoy it multiple times a week and still crave that silky spoonful shortly after. If this recipe resonated with you, like and subscribe to our channel for more. For more easy, comforting dishes, I've created a playlist of my childhood favorites just for you. See you in the next video.